transparently, our life probably doesn't look like a lot of other people's. We're in the garden together, we're at the farms together, we're in the kitchen together. We love it. My name is Alysa, and I am the founder and CEO of FOND Regenerative. My husband and I started FOND at the farmer's market 10 years ago. At 5 months postpartum, I was so nutrient depleted. I went on a bone broth diet and felt better than I'd felt in my entire life. When you have an experience like that, you share it. HEB came into our lives from the farmer's market. We applied to HEB's Quest for Texas Best program and had the privilege of being a People's Choice finalist. There was a lot we didn't know that experience exposed us to and really prepared us to be on shelf. We had to work to get it there, and we did. We sell bone broth, tallow, duck fat, pork lard, sourced from regenerative farms here in the US. Food is a culture in our home. We like to say, you will be loved and you will be fed from the moment you arrive. That is what it means to walk into our home. A big barrier in consuming nutrient-dense food is actually the taste. And one of the things we wanted to do in creating FOND was make sure that good for you was delicious too. What I love is I'm able to make things I know they will enjoy eating. And that's a gift that I think we can give to everyone who buys FOND is you're gonna love what you make with FOND, and your kids are gonna love it too. We feel a lot of joy at seeing the product on store shelves. Even today, we feel a lot of excitement for the customers who will bring that jar into their home. And we're really proud to say that we've been on HEB shelves for more than 6 years. I hope that I can show other female founders especially, but entrepreneurs in general, to pursue that vision, that it's worth doing, that it's worth bringing to life.